Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gain. So AMC, before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. So in this video, we'll be doing a quick discussion, guys, sharing our opinion on if we believe AMC is in trouble and do we believe it will rise again, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we do that, know that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know what your boy think. So let's go ahead and talk about it. AMC ended Friday at around $28.65, guys, after having that pullback all the way down to that $25 range, guys. That $25, $26 range was a key level. As I, looked at the charts, paid attention to the indicators that I see, we know this thing is not running off of fundamentals. We know it's not running off of charts, really, because it's not at these prices because of none of that. But what we've been doing the whole time is keeping track on pretty much what this thing can head next. Give us kind of a figure on how this thing could play out, because nobody knows. We know AMC already shouldn't be trading at these prices. It's here because of the retail investors. So with that being said, it's like we still want to have a kind of a track record on how this thing maneuvers. So with that being said, as I looked at the chart, guys, we could possibly be in trouble, especially with this new variant, this COVID, this distraction. Meaning, I do believe if it come down real hard, the dip will be eaten up massively. People will, and for the people that bought in at the top, if you sold in at the bottom, it kind of would be naive and pointless, because why not just sell now if you're going to sell when it crash? Because when it crash hard and if it fall hard, the dip will be eaten up for people to ride it right back to, 50, that 40, $50 range. So with that being said, guys, and this not to scare anyone, this is just to prepare everyone, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. If you look back at the charts, you see that if we have broke through that previous support before coming down, if we have broke through 30 at 30, 31, right where I said offense, defense at, once we broke through that, our lowest point we need to come down to was 26. That's why I said we could come down to around that $26, $27 range, guys. But from there, we needed to, pop back up severely, meaning, quick, fast, in a hurry to go ahead and get out of that area. So Friday, we popped down pretty quick and recovered quickly, coming down to 25, breaking under that key support at 26. We broke that, coming down to 25, giving us an indication that we could fall further down to that $19, $20 range. And if it break $19.90, that's when a big fall will actually come to around $13, $14, guys. And I'm just telling you guys what the chart is telling me. So, that's not to put anyone at fear or say it's over or none of that, this, that, and the third, guys. Because like I told you, when it was trading in the $40, $50 range, I was telling you guys, like, that's like chasing. A lot of people, if it's chasing and it's going to do this, it's going to do that. I've been telling you, there's no guarantees in the stock market. Just because we have high conviction, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to do that. And I don't want to hear, oh, don't come talking like this now, B Hayes, because you weren't saying this before. Yes, I was. I've been said buying in the 40s, the 50s was considered chasing. Even if I believe for it to go way higher, that's still considered chasing from my knowledge and my experience of the markets. That's chasing the stock that high when it ran from where it ran from. Where you been at? You get what I'm saying? And that's not to throw shade at nobody. That's not to do none of that, because we still believe in AMC. We still believe this thing can most definitely happen. Nothing has changed. Only thing changed is that the new variant, the COVID distraction, came in and, brought us back a few steps before we can do what we got to do. And why they, bringing us back a few steps, that could cause a whole lot of commotion, meaning we hopefully this doesn't cause retail to lose their strength, to lose that strength within the community, to get weak, to, they break that 1 week link and then another one going to break, then another one going to break. And if them links keep breaking, that's going to divide the army up. And once the army start dividing up, people start selling off, people start believing, the comments start getting wild, you get what I'm saying? Then that could lead to a chaotic, it could, put everybody in chaos to where we can't see what we trying to see. So with that being said, guys, this video is not to scare anyone. I still strongly believe in AMC. I just want you guys to be prepared for whatever come you guys' way, with this. So you already know, guys, like I've been telling you guys, every time you get a chance to grab your initial investment out of any play, especially for the ones that been in on AMC, if you haven't put your initial investment out, I hope you, understand time after time after time how we go over these plays that you see that you should, you need to do that. You need to be up on game with that. Just same thing with Shiba Inu. A lot of people was talking bad when I had, took my initial investment out, saying I'm gonna regret it. I should have kept it. I'm just saying, like, why try to even play with death like that? I ain't even gonna call it death, but playing with your money like that. That's what take care of you. So why you want to play like that when you could just go ahead and fulfill and get yourself straight and make sure you ain't got to stomach too much craziness if it don't go your way? Because that's all I've been trying to say since the beginning. Ain't nothing guaranteed. And that's not to say, this is over, because like I say, I believe in AMC, guys. I'm not going nowhere. I'm going to be here every single day, but I just want to, prepare my people. So that's all I got for this video. I just want to get this out there to you guys. Know that this new distraction, this variant, it is serious. Meaning, not serious as in I'm scared. I'm just saying it's serious as in this is a big distraction that could, mess up what we got going on, which I don't believe it's going to mess us up to the fact that, because like I still say, this could possibly help AMC squeeze too, but I'm just saying it could mess us up if it don't go how we need to go. If it, it ain't no telling what they can throw at us, and if it try to break up our community in any kind of way, you get what I'm saying? That could possibly mess us up, guys. So I have to be careful how I choose my words and say my words, because y'all take them and twist them and make them out of what, I did not say. So I always just been trying to be, safe and careful, even though this was a once in a lifetime opportunity. And like, this is a big purchase for me with AMC. So with that being said, like, I always just try to tell people to be, smart and meticulous with their money, and don't go off of what everybody else is doing or what everybody else is saying or this, that, and the third, because at the end of the day, you your own CEO, guys. And, that's all I really got for you guys this video. I just want to give you guys a quick update on AMC and let you guys know, what I think and how this new variant distraction can possibly affect us. But like I say, guys, we're going to take this thing one day at a time and continue to go with what's in front of us. So that's all I got for this video. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.